अच्छी बात है. I'm sure that you know that there are about 15 departments of science and technology, Ministry of Science and Technology. I've sent their list to you. I'll send it again. You can take advantage of all of them. They are networked at FPCCI, or else we can create connectivity and have them work for us, work for Pakistan.
So under the Science and Technology Committee, they come under Science and Technology Committee?
They come under the science.
So as I said, I see myself, my function, as you were mentioning yesterday, as more of an organizer and connector rather than a doer. I don't see myself anymore as somebody who has to go and start a factory. I don't need to do that.
You're right. Actually, that is exactly the character of FPCCI also. They are not doers. They are promoters and sort of catalysts for doers.
And in order for me to function properly and any organization to function properly, they have to be connected, they have to know each other, they have to know what the resources are available, just like you have a balance sheet. So if you don't have a balance sheet of human resources, what people resource do you have? Then how do you imagine your organization can actually function? So for me, it's extremely important. Just like you have a money balance sheet, you have to have a balance sheet of people's resources. What kind of resources does he have? What has he done in his life that can empower FPCCI or any other organization in the world? So once you have that kind of balance sheet available and you know what these people can do for you, then only can you actually excel, because people are the most expensive assets we have. Not money, not buildings, not connections. These people, the knowledge which they have is the most expensive asset.
Indeed.
So whenever I have talked with you, I always tell that we need to work more with organizing people. And unless we know what they're capable of, unless we are interacting with them, and unless we give them the ownership of the organization, the growth rate is very different.
I agree with you. It's a great idea, Hamdan. There are, as you know, in the US they say there are interest and pressure groups almost in every discipline. So if you are able to create those groups of similar interests, they can play a great role by exchanging ideas amongst themselves, intra as well as inter, interacting with similar organizations elsewhere.